guys, so Shrekalji, welcome back. And for those who are new here, hi, my name is Purnima and welcome to my channel where we talk about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. First of all, I wish you guys a very happy festive season. And in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys certain high-end products that are must-have for this festive season, and you can invest in these products as these are tried and trusted by me, and I absolutely recommend and adore these products. So if you guys are ready, let's just jump straight into the video. This product I wanted to share with you guys is a beautiful primer from Benefit Cosmetics, guys. This is a Pore Professional primer and this is such a great product. I cannot tell you guys how much I'm in love with this one, and I just can't do without this. This full size bottle is for 3300 rupees, guys, which is expensive, I know, but it is worth every single penny, guys, believe me. This minimizes the appearance of pores and also it leaves a smooth canvas onto your face before you apply your makeup, and it complements almost all the skin tones. Also, it is a kind of light silky balm. Moving on, I wanted to share with you guys a foundation from NARS Cosmetics, guys. Oh my gosh, this is such a great product, but unfortunately this is not readily available in India, but you have got few shades available on Amazon, so do check that out. I guess Punjab is the shade that suits most of the Indian skin tones, so it is available on Amazon. If you want, you can grab it soon. Also, there is some discount going on. This comes for 4000 rupees, guys, and it is such a fantastic product. It is of full coverage foundation. It is so lightweight, yet you don't even feel that you are wearing a foundation, and it will give you a flawless radiant finish all of a sudden. I mean, this is completely worth every single rupee, guys, and this is waterproof, this is smudge proof, this stays well for good amount of 24 hours, and it is such an incredible product. I mean, I don't have words to express how beautiful this product is. And if you guys are lucky enough to find this, please do grab it soon, guys. Next recommendation for you guys is a stroke cream from MAC, guys. This is in original variant. This is a pink light, and I just love this product. You can actually mix in with your foundation, and you know, it will give you a very nice radiant finish. Also, you can apply it just on the high points of your face as an highlighter. It will work great. This one is for 3200 rupees, guys. Moving on, I have Prep Plus Prime Fix from MAC, guys. This is an incredible product, needless to say. This you can use it before applying makeup, and also you can set your makeup using this one. If you have an eyeshadow that is less pigmented, so you can just spray this onto your eyeshadow brush and then you can use it. It will give you a high pigmentation. I mean, very nice color payoff. This is for 1900 rupees, and you can easily find it on Nykaa or Amazon or Flipkart. In fact, Myntra also has this product, so this is readily available and you can grab it. So the final product I wanted to share with you guys is a blush from Benefit Cosmetics, guys. This is such a pretty shade, you guys. This is in shade Pink Gold, and it will give you a certain sun-kissed kind of glow. So if by any chance I have to wear makeup in daytime, then I make sure that I use this blush only. It makes your skin look so fresh and radiant, guys. Trust me, I'm in completely love with this purchase, and this cost for 3300 rupees, which is a bit on a higher side again, but this is completely worth it. But it's a wrap. I hope you guys found it helpful, and if you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. Also, do follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is Purnima, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you guys so very much. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.